effortlessly. And
a little bit more about the extraordinary career of Sam the Wingwalker. Like I alluded to earlier on, Mike Tricklison, a highly accomplished pilot, performed at this air show a number of years ago with the Childs 200, is also a co-pilot on a commercial airliner. And like I said, he's flying to Sydney on Tuesday. All right, let's listen up here. And he pulls the throttle back to idle, indicating to us that Sam is now unstrapping from inside that jump seat. She is now making her way up to the top wing. And when that Pratt & Whitney engine roars to life, that'll indicate to us that she is securely fastened to that strut on the top wing. And if you look really, really closely, as Mike turns the iPad around, you will see that Sam is indeed on that top wing and attached to the strut. Now I'm going to do a little quick survey of the folks here in the Altitude Club. How many of you would be interested in trying this kind of thing, wing walking? Oh, I see some hands. How many of you are going to say absolutely not? I see someone that is saying absolutely not. Well, there's some brave souls there. As the smoke comes on, and we get underway with the wing walking act straight out of history.
That was originally designed as a crop duster, but has been completely transformed for air show excellence.